Okay guys, I will show you what I have got from Herty. The first one is lemon cake. Yes, it's look like a lemon, and I don't know the taste. Maybe I will try later. And then the next one is this. This is from Korea. You know, guys, it's from South Korea. Yes. From Tong Tong. Yeah, thank you, Tong Tong. I love you. This is a white hazelnut. And then next is this. This is zero. Yeah, zero. This is like a sugar-free jelly. It's like Yupi maybe. Yes, it's maybe so good and very so healthy because no sugar. And the next is this mini. I don't know what is this because it's a Korean language. No, kayak coklat gitu.
Yes, maybe.
And then I can only read this mini. I don't know what is this. Yeah, maybe Tong Tong will tell you, guys. This is Maxim.
My mama.
You know Maxim who? You know Maxim what?
Yes.
Luna Maya husband.
Aku kira tuh saya Maxim itu ngejaya di Makassar. Di Makassar, tidak di Makassar Tanji ya. Itu
No.
apa
Ojol.
online.
Ojol. No, Maxim is Luna Maya boy. Luna Maya husband.
Sama lagi warnanya Maxim.
Yes, like ojol. Ini it's like sprinkle. I like. Maybe I like. I will check later. Yes, yeah. I don't know if no coffee, no cafe. I don't know why.
Tong Tong, what is that?
Yes, Tong Tong, what is that? Please, you in comment.
Yes.
Okay, guys, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
This. The last but not least is this. This is a chili or sauce. Okay, guys. That's all that we have got. Thank you for watching. I love you. Thank you all.